毎年のように、日本からの右ハンドル車、輸入された、日本車が多い中では、この辺りに一番目立つのは3233スカイラインですよね。今合法的に輸入できるのは33と、32のスカイラインなんですよね。34もつい最近からも、25年になったので輸入されるようになったんですけど、34はまだ、この辺りにはないんですけど、もうかっこいいスカイライン GTR たちが多いなと。みんなすごいスカイラインだからかな、もう愛されてるんだよね。さっきのあった2人もそうなんだけど、ピッカピカにしているんだよね。自分のイメージのどういう風に車をレストアしていくのか、何をもうはっきりしているところがかっこいいよな。かっこいいよ。じゃあスカイラインの方を覗きましょう。I'm here at JDMCarParts.com, and my friend is going to reveal to us today the car. How many years has this been under restoration?
Many years.
Many years. This is the real deal, guys. Not like my car. That's a little faked up. This is a real deal. Hakosuka GTR, the real deal. Tell me about this car just real quick.
So it's a 1970 production, 1971 car.
Yes.
Fully restored,
Yes.
down to earth.
Yep.
Except for the suspension, Fujitsu exhaust. Fujitsu exhaust made the exhaust for S20
Yes.
for this build. It's not sold publicly in Japan.
They made it for you for this build.
Right.
What are some of the obvious things to people who don't know to tell you that it's a real GTR versus a regular, just, you know, a copy GTR? Tell me some of those main points.
Yes. Okay, so
Yes.
First of all, engine is the obvious reason.
Engine is the obvious reason. It's the 2000, the 2-liter 2000 GT engine. Engine. Let's look first. Show me this next thing, because this was something I was not. This was something I was not aware of. Okay,
So
go
the
ahead.
real GTR
Yep.
came with the seat
Yep.
without reclining mechanism.
No reclining mechanism, but.
So by slide forward.
Yep.
Like this.
Wow.
It's got
知ら
a,
なかったんだよ. The gauges, right?
yeah, so 10,000 RPM.
A 10,000 RPM tach. Otherwise, they look like my gauges, right? And then,
No clock.
oh, no clock. Okay.
And some of the switches are
Yeah, dummied out. Yeah.
deleted, right?
Okay, deleted. Right. Very nice.
Yes, and the floor mats
Yes.
were not carpeted.
Oh,
They're rubber mats,
like a rubber mat. Aha, very interesting.
right?
Very interesting. And show me in the trunk too, if you don't mind, about that, because I know if it's not a GTR real one, it's not going to have a fuel pump back here, right?
Well,
Like that, the electric pump. Is that original that it was there, or
yes,
that
it
is?
comes with a 100-liter gas
Yes.
without
Larger capacity?
without interior trim.
Aha.
It will look like that.
Oh man.
Just note that
Yeah.
So-
And you sell these kind of parts too through your company?
yes.
Fantastic. This is such a fantastic car. This is the most legendary of all, and the restoration you did on this car is so impressive. So good. I'm not a judge, but I have an eye, I think, a little bit. This car really, all the time you took, I think, paid off. in my opinion. Really well done.
Thank you. Nice to see you.
Always nice to see you. JDM-car-parts.com, right?
Yes, thank you.
For lots of detail, restoration parts for your JDM projects, definitely check these guys out. Awesome people. Thanks, man. Let's do a big thumbs up together.相変わらずね、毎年多分一番多い車はフェアレディ Z の車の数ですよね。ここからもうあの辺りからでもあると思うんだけど、ずーっとあっちまで続きます。いつもね、だいたい毎年こう Z のある方から入って流れていくんだけど、今年は反対の方から。い いつも最後にある車たちが見れないからこそ、今日は反対の方から始まってこっちに流れてきて、やっと今、フェアレディ Z の場所に、たどり着きました。それでまた面白いオーナーさん、この車両がめちゃくちゃかっこいいと思う。今日の、ライブ配信の時にこの車の紹介させてもらいました。めっちゃかっこいいです。デザインとスタイルと、なんかスティーブ的視点にも影響されたっていうことも言ってくれてありがたいよな。コピーとかってああいう何もなくて、スタイルも自分の好みが他にも、それはなんか同じいろんな趣味がある人がいるっていうのは、まあ俺嬉しく思っています。かっこいいフェアレディ Z ですよね。こういうわざとの仕上げ方がもともとブルーの車両らしいんだけど、それをまたかっこよくビスとかサビとかこうなんかじゃなく見えるのがかっこいいんだよね。かっこいい。じゃあ Z を覗きましょう。Z の中で気に入った車が、まあ、隣にこれ見てもらえれば、去年の動画にも、出てきた超かっこいいワンオーナーの車の隣に今日この 280ZX 見たら、これはワンオーナーの車両なんじゃないのかなと思って声かけたら、Glenn, Steve, nice to meet you. What is your friend's name right here who has the car next to you? I met Victor last year and he's a really nice guy. And as I walked by and I saw Victor's car, I looked next to it and I saw this beautiful, I mean beautiful 280ZX. And I said to myself, man, I want to interview somebody interesting with a story. And I said, I bet if I had to guess, that's a one owner, or at least a car that's been in the same family for all its life. Did I hit it right?
Yes, you did.
I did, didn't I? And I didn't know that when I came up until I asked you. Tell me about this car, man. How long? Tell me, who owned this car originally?
It belongs to my mother.
Your mom?
Yes.
She bought this car brand new?
Yes, brand new.
In 1982 ZX. It's a turbo car?
No, it's
an NA.
turbo.
Interesting.
It's GL. That's luxury.
I saw the seats are very luxurious looking. And was your mom a sporty type of person?
She loves sports cars.
She did.
She loves sports cars.
That is so cool. Back, I mean, you think back in 1982. I mean, cars are not just a guy thing, of course, but for a woman, a mom,
Yeah.
to go out in 1982 and buy a car like this, you had a pretty cool mom.
I did.
Yeah,
Very cool.
Very cool mom. So you have inherited the car from your mother, and this is the original color and everything about the car.
Yes,
Everything. How many miles are on it?
like 7,000.
67,000 original miles. Southern California blue plate original car. What a pride! What a beautiful car, man. Really, and I imagine for you, there's so much. The connection to this car is beyond just the car, right?
That's right.
You have memories. Your mom loved this car. Yeah, and so this is a keeper for you for the rest of your. Yeah. And do you have children?
Yes, I do.
Are they into cars?
Yes, they are.
Has any of them already claimed this one for themselves?
daughter.
Yeah. Well, wouldn't that be nice? Mom, son, back to a girl.
Right.
Wow. Glenn, I got tingles. It's a good story. It really is. You said I'm not going to be a good interview. You're a great interview because the story is really, you don't have to talk too much. What you just told me here is so fascinating and amazing. Really, really great. グレンさんのワンオーナーというかお母さんから譲ってもらった 280ZX ずーっと最初から今日現在まででグレンさんも今度また娘さんに譲るということだって言ってるので素晴らしいストーリーです
Yeah, she's lucky.
Really, really, she is lucky. Let's give her and you and your mom and this awesome car a big thumbs up, man. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
こちらこそY33グロリア見つけました。かっこいいですよね。もう車庫端で、もうビッグ仕様で、中にやっぱりジャンクションプロデュースのピローっていうのかな。房、砂、そしてシャンダリアまで、変わった手すりだよね。この車は、ちょっと待って、広田さん。 バリバリ日本の匂いだ。まだ残ってるんだこの車に。すごい日本から来たばかって感じだよね。すごいいい匂いしてる。かっこいいよね。リップ仕様はかっこいい。ロリアがかっこいい。前から言ってたその丸いヘッドランプ4トンがやっぱり。ホイールも待ってます。かっこいい。Is this your AutoZam, sir? I guess you're a rotary lever, huh? Oh, ご視聴ありがとうございました。関連動画こちらとこちらにありますので、よかったらチェックしてみてくださいね。チャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。そして通知ボタンをオンにしてね、よろしくお願いします。